Hey fellow creators, I'm Gilles, and today I'll show you a game-changing technique in Ableton Live. Learn to freeze guitar sounds and craft mesmerizing compositions. Ready to kickstart your creativity? Let's dive in. For this example, I'll be using the Behringer FCB 1010 MIDI foot controller. We'll be utilizing the two expression pedals, which will send MIDI messages in the form of control change to Ableton. The MIDI out through of the Behringer will be connected to our audio and MIDI interface and will transmit on MIDI channel 1. Once we're on Ableton, make sure your MIDI controller is well set up with Ableton. Head up to the Option, Preferences, Link Tempo MIDI tab and activate Remote option on MIDI in. Add the first audio track. Rename it to Guitar. Set the audio from Exterior in my case, Audio Input 9 of Audio Interface, and monitor it to In, with no effects attached. This is the dry signal channel. Add a second audio track. Rename it to Freeze 1 and set the monitoring to In. Select guitar track as audio source for this track. Drag the reverb effect on the Freeze 1 track. Give it 10 seconds of decay time and 100% wet signal. Add a third audio track. Rename it to Freeze 2. Again, select guitar track as audio source for this track and set the monitoring to In. Drag the reverb effect onto the Freeze 2 track. Give it 10 seconds of decay time and 100% wet signal, the same as we did on Freeze 1 track. Add a fourth track, rename it to Reverb Bypass and set the monitoring to In. Drag a glue compressor and set the module as you like. Mine is -28 dBs on threshold and 3 dB on makeup. The rest I leave as default. This brings dynamics and put the main guitar layer up front. Drag the reverb effect onto the Reverb Bypass track. Give it 3 seconds of decay time and 50% wet signal. Now, let's the MIDI mapping between Ableton and the pedal board. This tutorial does not cover any FCB 1010 MIDI configuration procedures. I intend to make a full video series on that in the near future. Click on MIDI Map Mode Switch button to assign external control to Ableton parameters. Assign expression pedal A of the FCB 1010 to the volume slider of Freeze 1 track with a maximum value of -4.5 dB. Also assign the same expression pedal to the Freeze button inside the reverb module of this track. This way, when you press down the expression pedal A, it will fade in the track signal as well as activate the freeze effect. Assign expression pedal B of the FCB 1010 to the volume slider of Freeze 2 track with a maximum value of -4.5 dB. Also assign the same expression pedal to the Freeze button inside the reverb module of Freeze 2 track. Now it's a matter of practice, trial and error until you get the results you want. The Ableton template for this project and the PDF tutorial is available on my Patreon page, with a link below the description. This is great for ambient sounds and compositions on every tonal instrument. I just used the guitar as example. Feel free to ask any question you have in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this was useful to you. See you soon, and thank you for watching.